In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fresh table on Freshsales CRM in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newcomer to Freshsales CRM, creating a custom table is an essential skill to have in your toolkit, making it easier to organize data and streamline processes. Let's jump right in and get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and search for Freshsales. It's important to ensure that you're using the correct URL and logging in through a secure connection to keep your data safe. Once you're on the Freshsales website, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, be sure to set one up beforehand to follow along. After logging in, direct your attention to the admin settings. You can find admin settings by navigating to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see a gear icon, typically indicating settings. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, select the option that says Document Templates. Once you're in the Document Templates section, look for a button that says Create Template and click on it. This is your gateway to creating a fresh table tailored to your specific needs. After clicking this button, it'll prompt you to give your new template a name and choose the document type. Be sure to select a name that is both descriptive and easy to remember, as this will make it easier to find and use the template later on. Picking the right document type is crucial, as it determines how the data will be organized and displayed. Now, with your template ready, it's time to bring it to life. You'll notice a Components pane on the right-hand side of your screen. This is your control center for adding elements to your template. Find the table component in the list. With a simple drag and drop motion, bring the table component onto your template's canvas. Place it exactly where you want it within the document. You have full control here. Once your table is on the canvas, you can get creative by customizing it. You have the flexibility to add or remove rows and columns based on your data requirements. This is where you can let your organization skills shine through. Perhaps you want to create a monthly sales report or organize client information. The choice is entirely yours. Customizing the table to fit your needs will make it much more efficient for your specific workflows. Congratulations! You've just created a fresh table on Freshsales CRM, all done within just a few minutes. By following these straightforward steps, you've not only learned how to create a table, but also gained valuable insight into using Freshsales CRM to its fullest potential. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice what you've learned to master this new skill.